Need to share your photos or images from Google Drive with someone else? Here is the quickest way to create a shareable link. First, open your Google Drive and locate the photo you want to share. Right-click on the image file, hover your cursor over Share, and then select Share from the side menu. In the window that pops up, look under the General Access section. By default, it might be set to Restricted. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and change it to Anyone with the link. On the right side, you can choose their permissions. Keep it as Viewer if you only want them to look at or download the photo. Next, click the Copy Link button in the bottom left corner. The link is now copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it into an email, WhatsApp message, or chat to share it instantly. If this quick cloud tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast digital guides.